Breyer celebrates a third birthday. Captain America right there for you. What a smile on that kiddo right there. Happy birthday, Breyer in Thayer.
All right, and we've got Boston. Malikas turning 10 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Boston.
Little Gerard Trojan pride right there. Happy birthday, Boston. Carson Bailey. What up, kid? Family friend right there. Happy birthday, Miss Carson. And I will give you permission to boss Kayla around today. You just have at him. You can do whatever you want. It's your birthday. Have a great day, kid. I'll miss seeing you.
All right, and we've got Blake Hickson turning 15 years old. Somebody's been playing with frogs. And Fort Scott.
Well, I was going to say something about him going frogging because I love going frogging. Blake, if you ever go frogging, I'll go with you.
Don't they call it gigging?
No, you gig with a trident. I go by hand.
Oh.
But I don't know if Blake went. I don't know if he went frogging or whether that's like a pet. And so that's why I was laid off of that one.
He seems pretty friendly with that guy.
Exactly. Happy birthday, Blake. Lane Moore turning 17. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Lane in Galena.
In Iola, Kansas, Darren Reno turns 52 years old today.
Look at that thing. Nice get. Dolores Timms is celebrating her 90th birthday. Miss Dolores, she grew up in Pitcher. And I want you to know, Miss Timms, that this is a happy birthday wish from Gail, Cotton, Lindsay, and the entire Dawes family. Dolores turns 90 in Miami.
All right, Verna Lou Smith celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh.
Good job, Verna Lou. That threw me for a loop there for a second until I put together the optics on it. That's funny.
Oh, yes. Okay, so that's a mermaid image, right?
That's good.
I thought it was a dress at first.
It's a good picture.
That's pretty cool.
Vicky Punch celebrating her 66th birthday. Vicky is in Neosho. Riley Ellis, a happy 25th birthday. Riley is in Humboldt. And Robert Graham turning 49 in Erie. Now, Robert made life easy on himself because he's like, okay, if I can remember my birthday, I bet you I can remember my wife's birthday. Happy birthday to both Robert and Melody. That's right, husband and wife duo celebrating the same birthday in Erie, Kansas. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Diane Commons, happy birthday in Cherokee. Nancy Bryant, day late, but hey, better late than never. Happy birthday to Nancy in Chanute. And Woody Greenbaugh, a very happy birthday to you in Miami. Give you the screen all to yourself. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February 2nd. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.